As well as allowing the patient to upload an image to an online message, clinicians can capture images during a booked video appointment with a patient. We're working on adding this feature for on-demand appointments in a future release. Let's go into a video appointment, and when we select Start Video Appointment, you'll see the interface for the video appointments has changed slightly. Now you can see the patient's details on the bottom left of the screen, and when you hover over the patient video you can see a timer and some additional buttons you can use. The first one expands the size of the video across your screen. To go back to the previous view, hover the mouse over the screen again and your panel appears in the top left of the screen. You just need to select the expand icon again to bring it back to the original view. Then you have the option to mute or unmute your microphone, and the same for video here. You can choose to turn this on and off by selecting and reselecting again. The next one can be used to capture an image of the video, if perhaps your patient is showing you a rash or maybe a wound. To take the picture, you select the camera icon and the image will appear underneath the video. You can select the camera icon again to take additional images. To view the images, you can simply select the image underneath the video and you have the option to download the image to your device here, or at the bottom you can select to delete the image, and by clicking OK we'll just close the image window. The last icon you can see here will end the video consultation. If you have captured an image during your video appointment, you will see an additional drop down on the appointment outcome. Here you can choose to discard the images or save the images to the patient's episode of care. These images are now viewable on the patient's episode, and in the same way as the patient file upload, the images will be copied over into the clinical system when using the exporting options.